A lot of nine-figure boys in the village, they haven't got much choice in the village. Model car, model wife, model village.
Hi, my name is Leo of Vintage Vinduro PH. I started building bikes since last year lang. My first build was an XL125. So I don't have my own shop, but my friends from Temis Workshop always helps me with my build. So basically what I do is I design and create the concept of the bike and then have my friends help me with the build. The engine features a 28mm BB car, 3429 big valve cylinder head from BRT, racing cams and racing valve springs. So lahat yung panloob pinalitan natin, 66mm bore, forged piston, and yung stroke din pinalitan natin ng plus 4mm. So basically high compression na siya. For the exhaust, super trap exhaust, yun yung kinabit natin, and then maybe sa ignition din. What inspired me to build this bike is yung siyempre pagiging hilig natin sa classic. So ayun nga, I've had several bikes na rin na classic, pero yung iba kasi talaga mag-perform yung modern bike. So kaya naisip ko parang why not gawing luma yung bagong bike. So classic look pero yung performance niya modern. Kaya ayun, so far so good. Maganda naman yung results ng bike. We tried it na sa trail, sa race. Actually, won second place dun sa race last time sa Ground Zero. And ayun, okay naman siya. I built this bike mga magto 2 months na. So, forgive me kung yung ibang details niya medyo may damage na because we tried the bike on track tsaka sa trail, and ito talaga yung trail bike ko. So, kaya ayun. Anyway, so ayun, pasado naman siya dun sa test natin. Let me just share you some of the clips from the last race, courtesy of Motorcycle Cinema and LADL. So thank you, Derek, for sharing my footage dun sa last race. I would like to thank Temis Workshop sa Quezon City for helping me build this bike. So, yun talaga yung one-stop shop ko. Everything from aesthetics to performance. Sila tumulong sa akin sa pagmekaniko nito. So, thank you so much for, realizing my concept. And ayun, of course, dun sa friends natin na tumulong sa akin ng pag-get ng parts, kay Sir London, thank you so much. Kay Nonoy Serrano. And yeah, ayun, tsaka dun sa mga friends natin dun sa Vinduro PH. Thank you so much.